facing a severe LPG shortage, causing widespread disruption across households and businesses. Many homes are unable to cook, shops are shutting down, and workers are reportedly leaving cities and returning to their villages due to the crisis. The opposition has blamed the situation on what they described as the cowardly foreign policy of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They alleged that the government's foreign policy failures have led to the current shortage, leaving people struggling and standing in long queues for LPG cylinders. On Wednesday, opposition members of parliament staged a strong protest against the Modi government's foreign policy. The protest was held in the presence of Congress President and Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, and demonstration took place at the Parliament complex where opposition leaders demanded immediate intervention to address the LPG shortage and provide relief to the public. The opposition reiterated that the government must take urgent steps to resolve the crisis and ensure uninterrupted supply of LPG across the country.
अरे मोदी जी